Yeah, everyone, this is part 2 of how to resolve the IO error DB server closed connection when connecting to SQL Server using the jTDS driver. In the last video, we disabled the jTDS 1.2 version of the driver by renaming it in the work directory, and we then also uploaded the new version of the driver, which is 1.3.1, by uploading it as a custom connector library for the database connector. In this video, I'm just going to show you what some of your additional options and other items should look like in the connection component to successfully make this connection. Here we have semicolon use NTLM v2 equals true, semicolon, and then we're providing the domain. And if the error was caused by SSL being enabled on the SQL Server, you may need to add SSL equals require or SSL equals request, depending on your needs. Another item that you may need here is trust server certificate equals true, but that depends on your setup. As you can see here, we provided the domain in additional options, so there's no need to add your domain here, tacked on to the username. That won't be needed. Yep, you'll just need your password, hostname, port, schema, and you should be good to go. Thank you for watching.